Football is today's theme. This is one of my local teams, Sheffield Wednesday, known as the Owls, and they're famously blue and white. So I've decorated the cake in the blue and white stripes all the way around. And then I've added a drip with royal icing in white. And then while that was still wet, applied these little blue sugar pearls. And I've gone around the top with some blue buttercream and then loaded that with a mixture of blue and white chocolates. And then printed off some edible footballs, backed them onto icing and stuck those in. And then just decorated the board with some more blue sugar, just to finish it off. Love the colours. So there we are, a footy cake.